Recently, a family member of mine asked me how to do this because they tried desperately to download off the internet and install a piece of software for their Linux Mint computer that they newly created, and were having a heck of a time getting it all to work. So I said, well, did you go through the software manager? And his answer was, software manager. And so it just goes to show that you don't know what you don't know, and it's okay to not know. So I'm here to help you, because after all, I put a lot of stuff out there, and you guys help me a lot too. So this one coming back for you: easy software installs on Linux Mint. Here we go. Okay, so you're looking at your screen. You're going to go down here, and you're going to press this button here. And then it's going to go up, and this is the button you're after. This one right here. My mouse is right on it, and this is your software manager button. You're going to press that, and the software manager pops up. It's right there, and it's going to populate. But you can search for it, so you can hit in the search bar there, and you can type it in. It was Inkscape this fellow was looking for, my family member. And so it was on Inkscape here, and we're looking at it. And there's different versions. You can see the one here, it says FlatHub right there. See FlatHub? If at all available, take FlatHub. FlatHub seems to always have the most recent version of the software that you're selecting. So just select the FlatHub version. Just click on it. And it's there. And then hit install. That's simple. So here what happens is that, if you can see it here, it says additional software will be installed. And what it does is that Software Manager sees that you are lacking some other programs or apps in which the software is dependent on. And so it'll install those too. And just let it go, hit continue, and carry on. So while this is installing, we'll look at a few more things. Your software manager will look different and be called different things in different desktop environments. Like, however, I'm using Plasma. So in Plasma, it's called Discover. I don't know why they make it complicated. Software Manager was so easy. It just says Software Manager. And then it comes up, and it's basically the same thing. And it looks exactly kind of the same thing. And it might look a little different, but they all act the same way. Okay? Just go like that and hit that install. And then when it's done, and it's coming up, it's gonna be done there any minute. So that's kind of like the secret. That's it. That's it. Now you could hit launch here, but I don't. I'm going to click down here again. See this? And I'm going to find the application that I just put in. There it is, graphics. You see it in Inkscape. I'm going to right mouse click, and I'm going to hit add to panel. And then it's down here at the bottom of the panel. Click on that, and it opens like that. And it's that simple. This is how you install software without trudging through the internet, without using the dreaded terminal. So generally my rule of thumb is this: if the app you're looking for is within the repository of the operating system that you use, then the operating system is well tuned to run that software. If you have to dig through the internet to find the piece of software, it may not run really well on your system. Just keep that in mind. So I generally default to the repository for all my installs, and so far I haven't had any terrible things. Anyway, if you got something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, all that great stuff. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if if I hit the mark, because sometimes I miss stuff or overlook stuff, and I count on you guys out there to keep me in line. I appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, and we'll talk to you soon.